Namaste Tippy fam, I hope you are all doing well. I'm finally back with some home content, and this time we are diving into something that honestly needed a lot of attention: my kitchen countertop. It's been a whole month since I last did a proper deep clean, and trust me, the mess is very real. The tiles were greasy, the decor had dust, even the countertop itself looked tired. So I thought while I'm tackling all this, why not bring you along with me? Maybe we can do this together like a cozy home cleaning session. So I started by clearing everything from the countertop. And you know that feeling. When you clear off every little thing, it instantly feels lighter. I took down all the containers, jars, and tiny little decorative pieces. Even that one spoon that always hides behind the jar. Now, just doing that made me feel like, okay, I'm ready to reset this space. Once the space was empty, I moved on to the tile. Mine are white, and let me tell you, grease shows up everywhere, especially in the corners and between the tile lines. I used a scrubber and a basic cleaning mix to scrub them down, and slowly the shine started to come back. The slab itself is black, so it doesn't look very dirty most days, but oh my god, the hidden grime. Regular cleaning just doesn't catch it. It was so satisfying to finally get into all those tiny corners and edges. Then came the decor bits, my little terracotta pots and faux plants. They had a thin layer of grease and dust on them, which builds up quietly, especially in Indian kitchens with open cooking. These are some of my favorite little decor items. So affordable, easy to maintain, and they just add that desi, earthy touch to the space. I'm also cleaning the switchboards around my under cabinet lights, which I installed myself. It was a small DIY project, but honestly, one of the best things I have done for my kitchen. The warm glow it gives in the evenings just make the space feel calm and welcoming. Lighting really does transform a place. Now, after all that cleaning, I noticed my oil dispensers had gone dry. I usually keep mustard oil and groundnut oil in my kitchen. They are healthier options, and for me, they are full of nostalgia too. As a Bengali, mustard oil is not just a choice, it's a part of our cooking soul. It instantly reminds me of home and my mom's fish curry. So I refilled them, wiped down the bottles, and kept them back in their little corner. Next came my favorite part, organizing. I know it sounds weird, but reorganizing my kitchen is honestly therapeutic. I'll link a few items I found online in the description box, you can check it out. I'm a physiotherapist by profession, and my days are usually packed. I come home tired, drained, but this little act of cleaning, organizing, decorating, it gives me peace. My love for home decor started when I was very young. You won't believe this, but when I got my first salary, I didn't buy a single thing for myself. I gave it to my parents, and the rest I used to buy home decor items for our house. It gives me so much happiness, and even now that hasn't changed. It's not about always buying something new. Sometimes, just moving a lamp, changing the placement of a shelf, or adding a plant, it completely lifts the space. Like this lamp here, or the soft light under the cabinets. It takes my little kitchen from functional to magical. Also, use that vertical space. My undershelf rack holds my chakki belan, masala boxes, even cookbooks sometimes. It's small, but it makes a difference. Before I wind up my kitchen for the day, I always light a little dhoop stick. It has become a kind of ritual for me, a way of saying thank you to the space that serves us every day. I'm using this one from the brand Fool. It's not a collab or ad, just something I love. The fragrance is divine and so calming. And now, with everything clean and in place, I am making myself a nice cup of coffee. Tired? Yes. But happy? Very. And that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you for spending time with me. It means a lot. Now, if you have enjoyed this clean and chat kind of video, do hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you can get notified next time I upload. I'll meet you in the next one super soon. Till then, stay fit, stay healthy, and bye bye.